हेलो नमस्कार खुश रहो बच्चों आई एम JV'n डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर टुडे we discuss about population policy of India launched its family planning program in 1951 as a part of first 5-year plan and become the first country in the world to have the state sponsored population program. Family planning was recognized officially in order to safeguard the health and welfare of mothers and children. The program was also aimed at aiding the national economy by reducing the okay, birth rate with the death rate in order to stabilize the population. There was not much progress for next 10 years. The health infrastructure reformed the delivery system for the family for the next family planning program was still developing. There was a significant shift in strategy of government under 5-year plan 1974 to 79. Certain important policy decisions were taken and action initiated to give the family planning program a greater trust and new direction. Maternal and child health service were made a part of programs. The landmark in the population policy of the country was the draft statement of population policy issued in Parliament in 1976, expressing the government determination to control population growth, increasing the legal age of marriage from 15 to 18 years for girls and from 18 to 21 years for boys, freezing the populations at the 1971 the level until 2000. For the purpose, legislatures, elections, and devotions of central assistance to state for development were some important decisions taken by the government. The 1976 statement, however, noted to wait for education and economic development to bring out a drop in fertility is not a partial solution. The very increase in population made economic development slow and more difficult to achieve. The time factor is so pressing and the population growth so formidable that we have to get out of vicious circle through a direct assault upon the problem as a national commitment. During the 6 5-year plan 1980 to 85, population control was especially mentioned as one of the plan objectives and integrated in the 20-point program. After the 7th plan, 1985 to 90s was finalized, a revised strategy was adopted for the family planning program. It emphasized on increasing minimum age of marriage of women, making them literate, enhancing their status by increasing economic and employment opportunity, improving the health of mothers and children, greater coordination and linkage with poverty alleviation program, and greater involvement of the NGOs in the family planning program. Under the 8th plan 1992 to 97, human development was adopted as the ultimate goals and population control. 53 years after independence in 2000, India is still looking for viable policy to control population growth. Although it was first country to adopt family planning program in 1952, the country is still growing by 15.5 million people each year. And if these trends continue, India may overtake China in 2045 by reaching a population of 1.5 billion. The Minister of Health was just announced the ambitions new national policy. The National Population Policy 2000, with the aim of bring total fertility rate to replacement level by 2010 and to achieve a stable population by 2045 at a level of consistent with sustainable economic growth, social development, and environment protections. Thank you.